Here we have a layout of the product I will be using in this training video. Starting from the top, we have our AL-1000 accessory arm with ring holder, and a second one you can see in the bottom right. Then we have our HS0305 flex arm light cable holder. Next to that are the A-lift blades. I will be using the titanium ones, but we also have them available in anodized aluminum. Then we have the ML58 reusable 10-foot secure light cable with prong brushing, and below that the ML51 light source. Next are two tools, the ML0505 hex driver tool and the AL-106 hex wrench. Below that are 4 AL-105 pivoting blade holders and 2 ML21 rotatable table clamps. And finally, 4 of the AL-103 ring clamps and our AL-100 retractor ring.